Alright, you guys, we are here at Walgreens today. We are going to get these deals for April 5th through April 11th here at Walgreens. Please don't think that because I am making this video that you should leave your house and go buy these deals. No, it's not that important. Stay home, stay safe, but this video is for those that do need these products and are looking for a good deal. Alright, so hang tight, don't go anywhere. Alright, you guys, I wasn't actually planning on showing you guys this deal, but it is available. Buy 4, get the 5th free on Easter baskets. I'm going to go ahead and just pick up 2 because I don't have anyone to give the other 2 to. Normally, we would have a big Easter egg hunt at my mom's house. You know, all the kids would come over. It's super fun. We get like a whole bunch of crab legs, but we're not doing that this year because of everything that is going on. So I'm only going to get 2 for my 2 boys. But, you know, some people have more than 2 kids. Some people have, you know, 4 kids, 5 kids, 6 kids. So this would be a really good deal for you guys. You got 4, get the 5th one free. Alright, let's go on to these other deals I was planning on showing you. Alright, y'all, we have some good deals on cereal this week at Walgreens. $1.99 for honeycombs. 2 for $5 for Raisin Bran cereals. 2 for $5 for Special K. And then we have some more $1.99 ones down here. Cocoa Puffs, Fruity Pebbles, my personal favorite as a child. Still do like it. Captain Crunch, $1.99. My son loves these berries. So I usually try to get just the Oops berries because that's really all he eats out of it. But yeah, if you guys aren't able to find anything at your local Publix, check out Walgreens. They have a few things here. They're not all sold out. I guess people don't really think to run to Walgreens for food. So yeah, they have a few things. So some of the stuff is gone. Like, I believe, what was this? Betty Crocker. Chocolate ready to spread, like Betty Crocker frosting used here for 99 cents. But they still have the cake. If you guys like baking. 99 cents. It's a good snack. Everybody's home bored snacking all day. 99-cent cake could last you a while. Pancakes. This is a really good deal. 2 for $4. You can get a pancake and pancake syrup. Now that everybody is home, my boys like pancakes in the morning, so we are running through pancake mix like crazy. I actually just bought one at Publix like yesterday for, no, not yesterday, Saturday for $3 and some change, and I could have got it for $2, and I had to pay like $3 also for the syrup. So I spent like $6, and I could have waited and got it, both of them, for $4. So that's a good deal if you have kids. Excuse me. If you have kids that like pancakes, like my boys do. They have Jell-O, 2 for $1. That's pretty good. Grease down here. $1.99 for the little one. Applesauce. These are some pretty good snacks for the kids. 2 for $4. They have the mini ones for the babies. Like my baby son. You just hold it and they squeeze it. He still manages to make a mess with it. So, go figure. Oh, and this is good. Barbecue sauce. Buy 1, get 1 free. Since we're all home, my husband's really been throwing down on the grill. It's been super good. So we have been running through like barbecue sauce and buffalo sauce like crazy. So this is a good deal for us. And like ketchup and stuff is buy 1, get 1 free also with mayonnaise. We have tuna here for 99 cents. And then they have the pouches, 5 for $5. So they come up to be like $1 each. So about the same price, give or take a penny. So yeah, you guys, check out Walgreens if your local Publix is running low on supplies. Like the Campbell's soups, 3 for $4. The chunky soups, 2 for $3. You know, don't forget about Walgreens, that's all I'm saying. And I believe they also have chips. I think I saw it in the flyer. Yep. There are chips here, $1.99. Great snack item for the kids. My son loves Doritos. Another deal this week is on the Purex. It is $1.99, and we have a $1 off digital coupon. So go ahead and clip that, and it'll make it only 99 cents today, you guys. Another good deal this week is on the Mitchum deodorant. It is on sale for $2.99. And then we have a $2 off coupon that you can go ahead and click. I'm going to go ahead and clip it now, making it only 99 cents again. These are for the women's, and then I have it over here for the men's. Another deal that's pretty good is on the Old Spice body wash. It is on sale, 2 for $12. And in some of your accounts, you might have this $4 off for Old Spice when you buy 2. It says only for you, but I'm pretty sure I'm not the only one that got this coupon. So if you also received it, you could go ahead and use it now. It's a pretty good deal. 12, 11, 10, 9, 8. It'll be 2 for $8 or $4 each, and normally they cost $6.99 by themselves. So that's not too bad. Another good deal, you guys, is on the Speed Stick. It is on sale. Buy one, get one half off. Plus, you'll get 3,000 points when you buy 2. Now, you can also use the men's Speed Stick and the ladies' Speed Stick. There is a coupon for $1 off of each. $1 off a ladies' Speed Stick and $1 off for men's Speed Stick. So you will get $2 off when you purchase it. I am showing it to you guys in this flyer because my Walgreens does not carry Speed Sticks, I guess, anymore. They used to, but I don't see it on their shelf today. So I'm assuming they must have discontinued selling it here at this specific Walgreens. But if your Walgreens still has it, go ahead and, check it out if you don't like the Mitchum deal. Another good deal is on these Skintimate razors here, the disposable ones. They are on sale this week for $5.99, and there is a $4 off digital coupon that you can use on one Schick disposable Skintimate or Schick disposable razors. So that'll make them $5.99. Take $4 off, make them $1.99 for these razors, which is a pretty good deal. Alright, you guys, and the last deal I'm going to show you today is on the Dial soap. It is on sale for $3.49. It is normally $5.29. And there is a $1 off digital coupon that you can go ahead and clip to your card, making it only $2.49. Alright, you guys, another deal. If you guys spend $25 or more in the store this week, you'll get a 25% off coupon that you can use on your next purchase of $10 or more. Also, on Tuesday, which is tomorrow, it is Senior Citizen Day. Let me see if I could find it here. I saw it online. I'm trying to see if I can find it in the ad now that I'm in the store. Where is it? Here it is. Senior Citizen Day. You get 30% off eligible regular priced merchandise from our brands, including those and more. And then you get 20% off on all other eligible priced merchandise. You have to be 55 or older to use it. So yeah, if you guys want to wait until tomorrow to get these deals, plus some things that aren't on sale this week, but you may have a coupon for, and you're old enough, feel free to come tomorrow on Tuesday, April 7th. In case you guys were wondering, I got the Easter baskets for my sons. They are normally, oops, let that focus, come on. Focus. There we go. They are normal, oh, it's gone again, but maybe it'll come back. They are normally $25. They are on sale this week for $19.99. So yeah, I got it for $20. They do have cheaper ones though. They are on sale too. Buy 4 get one free. So you can get like the cheaper ones that were like $9.99. They had some for $19.99, and then they had these for $25. So if this one is on sale, the other ones might be on sale too. I thought I would go ahead and post this because I know when I was showing you guys the sale, they did not have the price tag next to them. I had to ask how much it was. So yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed the video today. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, do all those things, push all those buttons that everybody always asks you to do, and have a good day. Thanks for hanging with me. Bye.